Hello and welcome to Magnum RV in Montrose, Virginia. We have a very nice travel trailer here so you can bring the whole family with you in your next camping adventure. This is a 2013 Forest River Cherokee 284BH, featuring one slide and has everything you need. Features in this model include a bunk room with 2 bunks, a large U-shaped dinette. That also converts into a bed, a sofa, a full bathroom with tub shower combo, kitchen with double sinks, 3-burner stove, microwave oven, 2-door refrigerator. You notice the cargo carrier here on the rear bumper. Come over. This is actually the bunk room here, and there's going to be a separate dinette table here, and that's almost like a separate hatch to get out just in case of an emergency. Very nice large awning all the way down. Good storage on the outside. Coming in, we're going to have a bedroom off to the front. Got a wall here, entertainment wall with the TV. Front bedroom even has a ceiling fan and great storage on both sides. Headboard over here. Great storage under the bed. Lots of room. And you'll see here all that storage. That's all under the bed also. Nice windows on both sides of the bedroom. Have our sofa here. A large U-shaped dinette that also breaks down into a very nice sleeping for 2 bed. Lots of storage under the dinette. Got our refrigerator freezer combo. Microwave. 3-burner stove. And our oven. 2 sinks, and great counter storage all the way around it. Very good looking flooring. Storage back here. This takes us into our bunk room, which is a really nice setup here. Lots of storage. Place for a TV if wanted. Got the dinette here, and that also converts down to a bed. And you have your twin bunks right here. And what's nice is, for those that are like either full-timing it or homeschooling or just looking for a separate place for the kids, it's a great place. Or if you need a place for an office and you're working, it's nice having that separate dinette. It's completely closed off. And over here, we have our full bath. Great fan, hooks, toilet, storage under there, some countertop. Medicine cabinet. And then what's nice is an actual bathtub. Nice skylight that's recessed in, giving you great headroom. Shower curtain. It's kind of rare to find these bathtub shower combos. And looking out of the bathroom down. And don't forget, at Magnum RV, we take as much time as you need to fully explain and demonstrate all the systems on your RV. We also offer RV financing available with approved credit. We are a locally owned dealership in business for over 15 years. And all our coaches are thoroughly checked out, serviced, and turnkey when leaving the lot. We also include a 60-day warranty on all our RV systems. Be sure to check out our website at magnumrv.com. Thank you.